In this video we want to talk about a mistake that I made, and yeah, some user saw this and he told me about it, so yeah, thank you very much for your message. The problem is in exercise 3 we took the OR condition, and there's a problem with this one, because let's think about what this condition means now. This condition means if the character is greater or equal than A or less or equal than the Z. So the problem is every character that will come after the Z is also greater or equal than A, and the condition just has to meet one of the subconditions, and that is of course a problem because any character outside the boundary will still meet the condition. What does it mean? This means, first of all, if we just test our program against our boundaries that we wanted it to work for, it will be working. So our program is working just fine, and the problem now is if we go outside our boundaries, namely to the 128th character on our system. You can reach that character by hitting the ALT key, the key for alternative characters, and then you hit 1, 2, and 8 on your numpad while you are still holding the ALT key, and then you release that key after you hit 1, 2, 8, and you will get this character on my system. And if we send this character, our program will just crash. And that is of course a problem. This is because we have an array, and this array has a limit, and we are exceeding this limit by using a character outside of our boundaries. And this is not what we want to. What we want to is we just want to count these characters, and if the user inputs any other character, we don't want to count that, because the problem is we also have some other characters like the paragraph character, and this one is also outside our boundaries and will cause some problems. Okay, and we don't want these problems to crash our program. Instead, we want that our program will ignore these characters. And we can achieve that by using the AND condition, because now the condition reads greater or equal than A and less or equal than Z. So now it needs to meet both subconditions. And the same goes here for the uppercase letters. Okay, now if we compile the program again and we run it, we will see that it is still working fine for the case we wanted to work. But now it's also fine for the 128th character as well as any other character. Okay, yeah, this mistake was quite good, because it should teach you that you need to test your program against any value a user could input. So test this program for numbers, for everything, and if you do that, you will find a mistake, and then you can make your program work better for that values too. That's a lesson not only for this program, but for any program that you are writing. Be prepared that users will enter some values you are not ready for. So, and try to catch all bad values that may come, and yeah, react to them. Okay, yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Bye!